Today I am reviewing Google Pixel 9. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Google Pixel 9 is one of the most exciting Android smartphones of 2025, combining innovative AI features, a premium camera system, and long-lasting battery life, all in a sleek and durable design. First, let's talk about the display. The Pixel 9 features a 6.3-inch OLED screen with a full HD plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The vibrant colors, deep blacks, and 422 ppi pixel density make everything from scrolling social media feeds to streaming videos a visual delight. The adaptive refresh rate ranges from 60 to 120 Hz, which means smoother animations, reduced lag, and a responsive touch experience whether you are gaming or just navigating through apps. One of the standout features of the Pixel 9 is its camera system. On the back, you get a 48-megapixel main sensor, paired with a secondary camera, giving you versatile shooting options. Google's AI technology elevates these cameras even further, allowing you to take professional-looking photos without being a photography expert. Features like macro focus, Add Me, and Best Take ensure that every photo, from a group selfie to a tiny raindrop on a leaf, looks incredible. Videos are equally impressive, capturing every detail sharply, while AI enhancements make editing easier than ever. Performance-wise, the Pixel 9 is powered by an AMD A4330-5M processor, backed with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. This combination handles everyday tasks seamlessly, from running productivity apps and streaming content to switching between multiple apps smoothly. The phone is also unlocked, giving you the flexibility to choose your own carrier, whether it's Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, or Google Fi. Battery life is another area where the Pixel 9 shines. With a 4300 mAh battery and Google's adaptive battery technology, it can comfortably last over 30 hours on a single charge. If you activate Extreme Battery Saver, the phone can go up to 100 hours, which is perfect for long trips or heavy usage days. Additionally, it supports fast charging and wireless charging, making it convenient to top up your battery quickly whenever needed. Durability is built into the Pixel 9. It's rated IP68 for water and dust resistance, meaning it can withstand spills, rain, or accidental drops. The scratch-resistant display adds extra protection, ensuring your phone stays pristine over time. On top of that, Google offers 7 years of OS and security updates, so your Pixel remains secure and updated with the latest features long after purchase. Security features are also top-notch. The Pixel 9 can detect theft and automatically lock your phone. It can also detect a car crash and call for emergency help if needed. Built-in AI, called Gemini, assists you in managing your schedule, finding information across apps, and even responding to messages, making the phone smarter and more intuitive over time. Other features include dual SIM support, USB Type-C connectivity, NFC, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5, and a 13-megapixel front camera for clear selfies and video calls. The sound quality is enhanced with built-in stereo speakers, while Pixel Call Assist ensures clear calls and reduces unwanted interruptions. In conclusion, the Google Pixel 9 is a powerful, intelligent, and durable smartphone that excels in every major category. Its camera system, adaptive battery, Gemini AI, and 7 years of updates make it a perfect choice for anyone looking for a future-proof, versatile, and reliable Android device. Whether you are a student, professional, or photography enthusiast, the Pixel 9 delivers an exceptional experience at a price that makes it more accessible than ever.